Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about Agentic RAG and how it differs from regular RAG. So we know Retrieval-Augmented Generative takes information from the source we give, but how Agentic RAG works and what it is actually mean. Agent is nothing but it can be your assistant. When it comes to RAG, with your source of data, it can perform tasks and rethink every information that it sends you back. So there is no hallucination, there is no misleading of information. So it asks the user again and verifies it and gets back the information. When I say it asks the user again, means it is not going to repeat what you said or from the prompt that we give. It is going to re-verify or check, or it executes the task by thinking the user have given enough information or not. So this is how the agentic RAG performs compared to the regular RAG. So let's see a quick example how it actually performs a specific task when it comes to chatbot. Majorly, RAG is used for chatbot so that it can perform domain-specific tasks. Here I've just built a simple application using Gemini API key. We can have any agentic RAG. I'll give the source code end of this video, or in the Git repo. You can just perform the task using that. So I'm just going to ask a simple question to it. It is a healthcare related bot. So it is going to ask what are the relevant information that I can get using it. So the first question is, can I get reimbursed for a specialized cognitive mental health assessment in August under our corporate policy? That was the information. Information required from the user side. So the bot has replied with a detailed description about each and every approved basic facilities by June, and approval can happen before that. And because we specified a month, which is under August, so it is giving the policies which is relevant for this information, the reinforcement a user can claim using that. So this is agentic RAG, example for agentic RAG. When I give a regular RAG, the same query, so if you see, the information which obtained after the regular RAG is, it is very straightforward, and it didn't give me any detailed information about any of the reimbursement under the specific task that I've given. But instead, it have given very straightforward answers for me. So there is no validation that is required or asked from the user. So it is straight away given the information to it. So this is how the both task performs when it comes to agentic RAG and regular RAG. Let's go with the standard claim limit and timelines. So this is like another query that I am giving for in the agentic RAG specification. So what are the standard reimbursement limits and claim window for therapy? So it has given me the detailed information again the same way. So reimbursement rate and important temporal exclusion and rider fallbacks. So detailed specific, like it is not giving like every information that it has. It is giving me things which is relevant, and also specifically giving me the required information that I wanted. The user wanted. When I give the standard one, the same thing. Yeah. So what are the standard same query I'm giving? So expecting it to give the straightforward answer instead of like in-depth answers. So yeah, just given me what are the information that it has and straightforward towards the user, and that's all it is. So when you use RAG, the regular RAG, you should have like information very peculiar and it should not be vast. But when you have agentic RAG, you can have n number of documents because it is going to re-verify anyway to you. So that you can actually clear the thought and give the relevant information that you wanted, or you can cut short some of the unnecessary terms in it, and straightforwardly you can ask like, I need this, exclude some of the information, and I don't need any of that. So it is going to re-verify every time. So in that case, for the vast document, we can use agentic RAG. Other things we can use for regular RAG for small documents or information which is like very short. Yeah. So that's all I have. I hope you understand the difference between RAG and agentic RAG. And also, I'll share the code to implement a small agentic RAG so that you can practice well on that. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.